Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Koinly for taxes, providing a full guide to simplify your crypto tax reporting. First, you'll want to import all your transaction data. Koinly allows you to connect over 300 exchanges and wallets for automatic synchronization. For any unsupported platforms, you can easily upload CSV files. This crucial first step ensures all your cryptocurrency activities are accurately captured, forming the foundation for precise tax calculations. It's about getting every piece of the puzzle in place. Once your data is imported, the next step is to meticulously review and categorize your transactions. Koinly helps you identify and correct any missing or incorrect data points. You'll categorize each transaction, distinguishing between trades, income, expenses, and gifts. It's also vital to mark transfers between your own wallets to prevent them from being mistakenly counted as taxable events. This careful review ensures the integrity of your financial records, leading to accurate tax outcomes. With your transactions reviewed and categorized, generating your tax reports becomes straightforward. Simply select your country and the appropriate tax year. Koinly then automatically calculates your capital gains, losses, and income based on the data you've provided. You can download various compliant tax forms, such as IRS Form 8949 for United States users or specific reports for other regions. This step transforms complex data into clear, actionable tax documents, ready for submission. Finally, before filing, take a moment to review your generated tax reports one last time for any final adjustments or potential errors. If your cryptocurrency tax situation is particularly complex, or if you have significant holdings, it's always wise to consult with a qualified tax professional. Once you are confident in your reports, you can submit them alongside your annual tax return to the relevant tax authorities. Koinly aims to make this process as smooth as possible for everyone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.